How to schedule an email on Gmail on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can schedule an email on Gmail on PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Gmail and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now, in order to schedule an email, first of all, we have to compose the email. So for that, navigate to the top left corner, click on this compose button, and here you will have this text field. Under the to text field, you have to type in the recipient user email or the username, and then type in the subject. Under that, type in your email, or you can also attach files too. So once you're done, in order to schedule your email, click on this drop down next to send button. There is an option for schedule send. Click on it. After that, you have to select the timing, whether you want to set it to tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or Monday morning. So by default, there are some time provided. If you want to choose from there, you can do that, or if you want to choose a different date and time, click on pick date and time. Now here you can select the date and the time where you want to schedule the email for. Once you're done with that, click on schedule send, and under your scheduled time, the email will be sent to this recipient. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.